Okay, this is 2018 paper 2 question 2. Okay, so again they give me P, Q and R 3 points. The point U is the midpoint and point V is the midpoint of P, R. So you're looking for this point here. So it's the midpoint of P and R. So you use P and R and the midpoint formula over 2, and it's Y1 plus Y2 over 2, and this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's 7 plus 11 over 2, and it's 10 plus 4 over 2. Into the calculator is that, and that would be 9, 7. And they said call that V. So V is 9, 7. Okay, so in the next part they said show by using slopes that UV is parallel to QR. So parallel lines have the same slope. So if you get the slope of line U, V. So U and V and the slope formula. So we call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's 7 minus 6 all over 9 minus 4. Into the calculator with that, that'd be 1 all over 5. Okay, and then you do the exact same with Q and R, x1, y1. Sorry, I think Q is 1, 2. Right, so that's 1, 2. So it's x1, y1, x2, y2, and you fill in the slope formula again, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 into the calculator, and that will give you 1 over 5 again. So you'd say same slopes. So that means UV, 2 straight lines just means parallel to. UV is parallel to QR. Okay, then it says find the area of the triangle PQR. Right, okay, so there's my 3 corners. Right, one of them has to be 0, 0. So you move one of them onto 0, 0. Which one? Your choice. So I'm going to move the top one onto 0, 0. Right, so then you look at the x. So the x here is 7 and it went to 0. So that's take away 7. So take away 7 off Q of the x here and you get minus 6. Take away 7 here, you get 4. Okay, then the y goes from 10 to 0. That's take away 10. So 2 take away 10 is minus 8. And 11, that's 4 take away 10 is minus 6. So then ignore the 0, 0. You call this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. And you fill in. So it's a half times x1 is minus 6 times y2 is minus 6 minus x2 is 4 times minus 8. Okay, and the 2 straight lines just means drop the minus sign if there is one. 36 plus 32, that would be a half of 68. Okay, again, there's no minus sign here, so it's just half 68, which is 34. Okay, and finally the last bit, the point S is the image of Q under the translation U to V. So here's the translation. So the translation is U goes to V, and I have U and I got V above. I think V turned out to be 9, 7. Right, and they want you to move point Q by the same amount in the same direction. So you look at the x's. So the x's is 4 goes to 9. So you added on 5 to the x. So that means you add on 5 to the x down here. And that would be 6. So 1 plus 5 will give me 6. Then you look at the y's. You were at 6. Then you went to 7. You added on 1. So that means you add on 1 to the y down here. So it was 2. 2 add 1 will give me 3. And that's it.